All right, here we go. Third time. I hope it works out for us. So I've had a couple of typos. I've had to go back and fix them. Right. Already went over this in the last video, but I forgot the cube root symbol in here. Right. So here's your steps. And we end up with the answer of 2xy times the cube root of 2y. So now we're going to go through an example. Right. So the cube root of 48x cubed y to the 6th z to the 10th. Step one, split it up into factors. So we've got our factors of 48, our factors of y cubed, or y times y times y. Our factors for y to the 6th are y squared times y squared times y squared. And our factors for z to the 3rd, z cubed, is our z cubed times z cubed times z cubed times z. All right, so find our perfect squares. 8 is our perfect square for the coefficient. Then we've got x times x times x. X cubed is a perfect cube. Y to the 6th is a perfect cube, and z to the 9th, which is z cubed times z cubed times z cubed, is a perfect cube, and we have an extra z. So we're going to split it up into a product of cube roots. We end up with the cube root of 6 times the cube root of 8 times the cube root of x cubed times the cube root of y to the 6th times the cube root of z to the 9th times the cube root of z. And then if we simplify and clean everything up, we end up with the cube root of 48x cubed y to the 6th z to the 10th is 2xy squared z cubed times the cube root of 6z. Yeah, there should be a cube root symbol right there also. All right, now here, give it a try. First problem, cube root of negative 192a squared b to the 4th c to the 7th. Go ahead and pause your video, and here we go. You should have gotten negative 4b squared times the cube root of 3a squared bc. Right, cube root of 0.0000512 p to the 4th, q to the 4th, r to the 6th. Okay, we didn't go over decimals in this video, but doing decimals for cube roots, just the same thing you do for doing decimals for a square root. See if you can find your answer. Right, 512 is a perfect cube, so you just got to figure out how your decimals work out. And we should have gotten 0.08 pqr squared times the cube root of pq, right? Or you could say 800ths pqr squared times the cube root of pq. All right, now we're finally finished. Thanks for watching. You don't have to like and subscribe this one because it was kind of a makeup video because the other one wasn't all that great.